Warm welcome from Bharat Dental Show. Today, we are here at the Bharat Dental Show podcast Synergy, curated by our organizing chairperson, Dr. Saloni Mistry, and myself, Dr. Manali Mehta, as the secretary. Our guest today is someone whose name is practically synonymous with periodontics and implant dentistry in India, Dr. Professor Ashwini Padde. She embodies both grit and grace. Ma'am, thank you so much for being on the show with us today.
So what a memorable moment, Ashwini. I was waiting for this moment since a very, very long time, and to get you on board on Bharat Dental Show. Yes.
From preserving natural teeth to mastering complex implant procedures, this discussion explores the science, the techniques, and the clinical decisions that shape successful patient outcomes.
So what's your call on extraction versus regeneration, and what is the status today? So when would you pick a call?
This tooth cannot survive in the mouth healthy is when I will decide to remove it.
Wow.
So that balance and understanding which tooth needs to go, because if it has lost more than 50 to 60% of periodontal support and we are going to lose bone eventually trying to save that tooth, then implants is. But implants is the last option and not the first option when it comes to treatment planning.
What about if you could highlight a little bit on the regeneration part of it that we have today? Like there's so many options on regeneration that we talked today. If you could highlight a bit on that as well.
So in a world of dentistry where we are flooded in the market with materials, and every new company comes and tells you, okay, this is the product, use this, use that. You need to understand, despite having so many materials at your choice.
Discover why healthy bone and soft tissue are the true foundation of implant success, how thoughtful treatment planning makes all the difference, and why experience remains one of the greatest teachers in modern dentistry. Maximizing Become a Bharat Dental Show member and unlock exclusive access to Purpose and Precision, an innovative learning platform of podcast series with experienced clinicians, beginning with Dr. Ashwini Padde, who will share invaluable clinical pearls designed to help you build a practice par excellence and elevate your standards of oral healthcare, which is our vision of Bharat Dental Show.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Manali. Thank you, Saloni. It was absolutely a pleasure and a lot of fun doing this with the both of you.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. The pleasure is all ours.
Yes.